Most business for manufacturers and distributors comes from repeat business, those returning customers that you must keep happy. And you need a plan to keep them happy. These plans for most of you are in Excel and shared around, and there's multiple versions, and nobody really knows the truth of how well we are at achieving the objectives we've set. Well, if we could put it on a platform where everybody could get visibility of the plan and everybody plays a role in those objectives, that'd be a lot easier, especially I'm always on the go. Well, now Salesforce has this account plan feature that you can take advantage of. This is really important so that first you can establish a baseline, a SWOT analysis. What are our strengths and weaknesses? What opportunities do we have to grow into this account? What might be holding us back? We need to set KPIs so we can measure ourselves. We can set objectives so that it might be not just to grow the revenue of the account, but specifically maybe we want to visit them more. Maybe we want to introduce some rebates and promos because our competitors are doing that. Maybe we need a plan to reach out to our secondary customers and influence their buying decisions back into a distributor, for example. Maybe we want to put a portal in place so that our customers can collaborate with us better. There's lots of things you might do to increase that share of wallet. As well, from here we get a view, because all the opportunities are here and what's been sold, you get a view of what's been selling well and not so well. You might have new products that you want to place in there, or maybe you want to grow strategically into other divisions or other geographies within the account, and this will help you get that view. You can also look at it hierarchically, not just one account, but all the subsidiaries underneath. Lots of flexibility, lots of visibility. This could be you.